Where are you going, August?
To the bank.
What are you gonna do with that?
Put it in the bank and have them count it.
Mom, could you bring my money?
I'm actually still working with the previous show. Just a minute.
This one. August, wait over here. How much? Did you just give it to her?
I forgot because I forget quickly.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh.